It's been 21 years since we lived in the wilderness. A family of 2 adults, myself and my wife, and our 7 children. When I say the wilderness, there's an awful lot of pictures here on YouTube and places on the net of Mountain Wind family living in the wilderness, and I wanted to give you a better idea of what it's like. When I talk about wilderness, I'm talking about many miles from the nearest conveniences, more or less a phone. And when you see the pictures, you're seeing pictures of kids walking around in 20 acres of front yard. But there could be cougar up there. I was always there, and I always had the rifle with me. About 3,500 feet, really hard winters, really tough. No running water. We had a creek, we had a ram pump. That can be seen in some of the other videos. Also, I highly suggest you read Coyote, A Guide to Mountain Wilderness Living, which can be found at bobshannon.org or other places on the net. Hope you enjoy this one. This is one of the trees that I cut earlier this spring. It was about 65 feet tall. This is one of the ones I cut so I could have more sun from the south and the southwest over this way on my solar panels. It's a pretty big tree. I think this is maybe the second biggest one I've cut. Look what I found. Somebody's boots. Are we looking for these? No. Well, we found them. I think I'll go over here to the house.
Incredible!
Fantastic!
Fantastically incredible!
Incredibly fantastic!
At last, after all their years, success!
Complete and undeniable success!
A remarkable breakthrough!
An extraordinary discovery! We have accomplished the unconquerable!
They've conquered! They're unconquerable! Success!
Many mistakes. 12 10 8 6 64 15 4 9 No. Yeah, ready? What's the loss? No. Just me. Put the hands like this.
It's a little hazy today, but this is the view from our north 10 acres, what the kids call Teepee Hill. We're standing where I had the teepee. This view is looking east, southeast. Here's a nice tall stand of trees just to the east of me. This is my south 10 acres looking down from the top. This is Eneas Creek Road going from the west on your right, passes our driveway, and goes on up.
Yes, Dobby.
It's quite a walk from the east to the west along our property line. The kids like to walk along through here to find what kind of flowers they can find. Sometimes they find very old things from the 50s. We're still quite a ways along the just south of the creek on our north 1040. Actually, there's some paths that come right down to the river, to the creek rather, but this is a real pretty spot.
Yeah, get your view. There you go. What's going on? Make sure you take a little bit of our name. And for asking something.
We'll be seen in life and food. And in every science book.
They'll see us on TV. Don't know you and don't know me.
Rod Libertotas, their president Phil Hostas, and together we will rise to accept their Nobel Prize. And unaccustomed as we are. Success! Success! Success!